I think man management for me is about getting the best out of your people, quite simply. And the idea of being able to optimize people's performances and understand how different each individual is plays a very important role for me in the coaching space. It was interesting working with the Indian team. You take someone like a Virat Kohli, who has a very different personality to maybe someone like a Gautam Gambhir. I remember working with Virat, and he's got a very strong personality, big self-belief in his own ability. And I remember saying to myself, what is the best thing that I can do to optimize his performance? And he was always trying to get the best out of himself and play at that level. And it was very important that he stayed emotionally calm through the performances. And then with someone like Gautam, who was a very different individual, what I tried to do with him was to try and get him going a little bit. And it was important for me to be able to try and help him kind of get into those match situations, get ready for the fight, which was one of his strengths, and to get him to really believe that we needed him in the team, even though he might not have thought so.